I'm Dr. Edward Loniewski, board certified orthopedic surgeon here at the AOAO, sometimes known as the AOAO EIO, but it stands for the American Osteopathic Academy of Orthopedics here in Colorado Springs at the famous Broadmoor. And we're here to go ahead and talk to you about some really exciting things that are happening with the AOAO. And today I have Dr. Sean Mcmillan here. Sean is a very interesting, very busy guy. He's into everything. You graduated from the Philly School, right? You did a great fellowship at UMass, right?
Correct.
With Bosconi, right?
Correct.
And you've done a lot of training, especially with MyTech, doing one-on-one training. You've been team physicians for a lot of different teams, and you specialize in sports medicine. And I think the most interesting part that I found out in his biography, he was a team physician for the World Wrestling Federation. Big time wrestling. No, big time wrestling, even better.
Correct.
So how many of their injuries did you go ahead and treat?
Well, luckily, no one gets hurt. It's kind of weird how no one gets hurt in wrestling nowadays.
Even with a throwdown, there's no injury.
You got to learn how to take their bumps. Yeah.
So Sean is also in charge of the skills lab, because one great thing about being an osteopath is that we're pretty good with our hands, I think. I mean, that's what we're known to do. And so we learn a lot with our minds, but we do a lot better with our hands. And so Sean put together an awesome skills lab that's going to be out at the spring convention. That's going to be April 23rd through the 25th at Red Rocks out in Las Vegas, right? And you schedule something to be a little off campus there in Henderson at the Toro University. And you got some of the greatest names coming in to give you almost one-on-one training, hands-on training on some of these great procedures for sports medicine. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so the Skills Lab, created and started by Dr. Gary Ulrich, is something that us as DOs, we really enjoy, because we get to work with each other, sort of sharing ideas in a very collegial manner. So this is going to be on April 24th, the Friday of the spring meeting, and it's going to be at the Toro campus. It's going to be 8 hours of CME and didactic and learning. Sort of the nice thing about this is we're able to give some lectures on really pertinent topics related to the shoulder, and then move right to the lab and practice what we've learned. And it's something where we're able to give almost one-on-one or one-on-two sort of time to each of the participants. So the feedback has always been really positive when people have left, because they've maximized those 8 hours.
So if you were interested in registering for that, what should you do?
Yeah, so the AOAO.org website is great. And when you get onto that website, there's a link for the Skills Lab. That'll let you sort of understand exactly what topics will be there for the shoulder, and also register and pay your fee.
Yep. So again, it's AOAO.org. Go to the Skills Lab, register for that, because you're going to be taught by one of the most interesting orthopedic surgeons around, that's into everything and knows everything about everything. So it's going to be a great time in Henderson. It's going to be a great time at Red Rocks, and God bless you on getting this done for the AOAO. So this is Dr. Edward Loniewski from the AOAO conference in Colorado Springs, signing off.